In this challenge review, we're going to make it so that we can only call that hit damage method once every 0.5 seconds, allowing us to basically only have one call to hit dot damage during one attack animation. To do this, we need a variable to determine if the damage function can be called. This is simply just a bool. So private bool, and we'll say can damage, and by default we'll set it to true. So you can always damage by default. Here, we just need to now check that bool. So here, if can damage is equal to true, then what do we want to do? Well, if can damage is equal to true, then we're going to say hit.damage, because we want to call that method to damage the enemy. And then after that, we need to now prevent can damage from being called again, or this if statement from being called again. To do that, we simply set it false. Can damage is now equal to false. This if statement will now never be called. However, we only want it to never be called for 0.5 seconds. So we're going to create this coroutine here. So to do this, we're going to create a new IE numerator. So we're going to say IE numerator, and we're going to call this reset damage. And from here, we're going to say yield return, new wait 4 seconds, and we're going to call 0.5 seconds. So basically we're going to halt for 0.5 seconds, and then we're going to say can damage is now true again. That's going to allow the if statement that can damage the enemy to become true. All we need to do now is after we set can damage equals to false, we now need to start that coroutine. So we're going to use start coroutine. We're going to call reset damage and initialize it. Save this. Let's head into Unity, run our game, and we should have a completed cooldown system. The game runs. Let's go to our enemy. You're going to see here it should take 3 strikes to kill him, no matter where I stand. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. That successfully wraps up how to create the cooldown system for our damage system. I'll see you guys in the next video.